A very good morning, my dear students. We've already started with the chapter of force, work and energy. My dear students, in this chapter we have already learned about force. What is force? Let us recall. Force is push or pull, right? So when you push or pull something, that means you are applying force. और force लगाने से क्या क्या हो सकता है? We learned in the previous class. What are the different effects of force? Yes, you can stop the moving object. You can change the speed of moving object. आप उसको slow कर सकते हो, आप उसको उसकी स्पीड को बढ़ा सकते हो, right? और you can make the object move. और third thing क्या थी? Yes, you can change the direction of force. I gave you the example of a cricket match if you remember, right? So now we're going to come to the next part of the chapter, that is work. As I told you, there are three things which we're going to cover in this chapter, that is force, work and energy. So now it's time for work. What is this work? Generally हम work क्या करते हैं? हम class में भी बोलते हैं, please do this work, you write something, but scientifically, work is a different thing. Let us see what it is. If I asked you, you just stand over here and put a load on your head. आप कहोगे मैम हमने तो बहुत सारा काम कर लिया. I'm standing since morning. No. In scientific term, work तभी होता है जब आप force अप्लाई करते हो और वो एक object move करता है through a distance. It covers some distance. अगर distance cover होता है, then only we say the work is said to be done. Otherwise, work done is zero. I am talking this in scientific term. In science, work is said to be done when force applied make the object cover some distance. So we have the formula of how to calculate the work. Let us see that formula. Work is force multiplied by distance. I repeat, what is work? Work is force multiplied by distance. ठीक है, आपने फोर्स अप्लाई कर दिया, अगर डिस्टेंस कवर ही नहीं हुआ तो डिस्टेंस जीरो हो गया. इफ डिस्टेंस इज जीरो, राइट, एंड इफ डिस्टेंस इज जीरो तो आई कैन पुट डिस्टेंस जीरो इन दिस फॉर्मूला. तो क्या आ जाएगा? वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू जीरो. और आपने मैथ्स में पढ़ा हुआ है कि अगर हम किसी भी चीज को जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आता है? जीरो. तो इट मीन्स वर्क डन विल बी zero. So you can imagine if you are you're just pushing a wall is not able to cover any distance, तो क्या होगा? Your work done will be zero. So until and unless the object will cover a distance, work done will be zero. This is the definition of work in science. You're sitting on a chair and listening to me, and you'll tell your mother, Mama, आज मैंने बहुत सारा काम किया है. I'm listening to the teacher, I'm writing it. But in science, this work done is zero. Why? Because you're not covering any distance over here. You're not moving, right? So work done is zero. So you have to remember this thing. Work तभी cover होगा जब आप force apply कर रहे हो एक object के ऊपर, and that object covers some distance. So just recall what is work. Work का formula क्या होता है? Work is equal to force multiplied by distance. तो आप जितना मर्जी force apply कर लो, अगर आप force apply करने पे वो object distance cover करता है, तभी हम कह सकते हैं work is said to be done. Otherwise work done is zero. So learn this formula. Work is equal to force into distance. And if distance is zero, the work is force into zero, that is zero. Right? Now there is one more thing which we are going to cover in this chapter, जिसको हम कहते हैं simple machine. ये simple machine होती क्या है? ये एक tool है which makes our work easier. अब आपने देखो, आपने पेपर को कट करना है, आपने क्लॉथ को कट करना है. जब आप क्लॉथ को कट करोगे, आप हैंड से कट करने की कोशिश करोगे तो नहीं हो पाएगा. आप क्या यूज करते हो? आप सीजर यूज करते हो, राइट? आपको एप्पल को कट करना है, आप नाइफ यूज करते हो. Yes, you do it. So that means the tool which makes our work easier is known as simple machine. You use so many simple machine at your home, right? सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ सिंपल मशीन? वो आपके काम को इजी बना देती है. आपको किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना है, उसके लिए आपको लेस फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. आपको अगर डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स को चेंज करना है, आपको लेस फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. This is how the simple machines are useful to us. So let us see now. Simple machine is the tool that makes our work easy, right? So what else? It helps us to do our work faster. हम जल्दी से वो काम कर सकते हैं. Next, it helps us to do work with less force. आपको उसमें कम force apply करना पड़ता है, right? And change the direction of force. This is how the simple machines are useful to us, right? So I'll repeat once more. What is simple machine? Simple machine is the tool that makes our work easy. So you have to learn the basic use of simple machine. In the next class, we are going to learn some different type of machines which you use daily in your home, right? So for your homework, you will be reading page 83 and 84. These things are related to whatever we have covered till now in this chapter, right? I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you so much.